This is a really quick video I'm doing on my wooden sluice to show you how I've done the riffles. G'day, welcome to 𝗦𝗿𝗵𝗏 Prospecting. If you've been around my YouTube videos for a while, you might have seen my wooden sluices before, but you might not have, because I might have been using my wooden sluices on my original channel. I'm not sure if I've used them on any of the videos I've done on 𝗦𝗿𝗵𝗏 Prospecting, the channel I started just for my prospecting videos. I'm doing this in response to someone's post of their wooden sluice, and they'd nailed the riffles in so that they were fixed, and I just wanted to show them, and you guys as well, how I do it so that it's easy to remove the riffles. Here is one of my wooden boxes for my wash plant, and the way I've done the riffles is by making these ladder arrangements which you can remove. So on the walls of the box I've got these cleats, and then to lock the ladder in place I use two opposing wedges. So you see the wedges go in and then they lock in, you can lock them in like that. And then to undo the sluice when I need to clean it up, undo the ladder, I just take the wedges out, and then, and this is going to be a bit tricky because it's been a while since I've removed this, but then I work the letter out. Now it's quite stuck, but the whole thing lifts out, and once it's free, because there's only a single point here attaching it, you can then bend it, which that narrows it, and then you can just slide it out. Now this is normally a lot easier, but because it's been sitting still and it's been all gummed up for, it's possibly 9 months, maybe even a year since I pulled this apart. So the ladder lifts out, and then you can just roll the mats up. The other thing that you can do is you can have ladders in different sizes. This one is designed for relatively slow moving water, so the riffles are quite flat, whereas if you're using a faster moving flow, you'd have taller riffles. Yeah, so anyway, that's just a quick video to show you how I've done the removable riffles in a wooden sluice. Hope it's useful, hope it helps. It certainly worked really, really well for me. However, there is the ongoing problem with wooden sluices is that when they get wet, they get really, really heavy. You can try sealing them and all that sort of stuff, but they're always going to be heavier than an aluminium sluice. But as a cheap way of getting started, it works. Yeah, it's certainly what the old timers did. Catch you later. Bye-bye.